Hey guys, it's Farrah with FarrahAndOrganized.com, and I am making my very first batch of donuts. And this recipe is a yeast-free donut recipe, and it consists of 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, ½ teaspoon of baking soda. That's hot. 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, ½ teaspoon ground nutmeg, 3/4 cup buttermilk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 2 eggs. And then I'm going to use coconut oil to fry the donuts in.
And we'll leave the recipe in the description.
Yeah, link. And let's see here, where is it? So we're supposed to press the dough roughly to about 12 inches in a 12-inch rectangle. Of course, this isn't really a rectangle, but, and it's supposed to be ½ inch thick. So we'll see how these turn out. Ooh, that is hot on my arm. So I sprinkled the countertop with flour. And I've already pressed the dough down. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut out my donuts. Okay, never done this before. And then, yeah, they do.
They smell good.
Oh, there's the little one. There's the little guy. It's the marsh.
Now those aren't ready yet.
Throw some of them donut holes in her.
This is fun. Fun. But for my maple icing, I used powdered sugar, milk, melted butter, and maple extract. So. I'm sorry, brown sugar. It was brown sugar.
Yeah, brown sugar.
And boy, does it smell good.
That's in the blue bowl behind you, ain't it?
Yes.
I'm gonna show them that.
All right. Babe, are you gonna have a donut? Are you gonna try my donut? And for those of you that are trying to cut back on your sugar, you can just simply powder these with some sugar, confectioner's sugar, and call it good.
Or even that,
Watch out.
maybe that stevia stuff, if they're real strict, you know?
True. True.
Or shoot, even just honey. You could drizzle honey on
Some
it.
honey over the top, yeah, that would be really good. Just a minute, Mommy's almost done.
On the frosting, or what are we gonna do? You gonna just pour it, or are you gonna dip them? What do you think?
No, you dip them.
What do? You dip them?
Dip them.
Do we need?
Whatever.
Do you gotta put them in the refrigerator for a little bit?
No.
Or?
Who wants cold donuts?
I like cold donuts.
Well, you like cold everything.
Yeah.
I like everything to be room temperature.
Hey, don't touch.
Almost hot. Okay, guys.
Abraham, come here, bud.
Let me bring these over here.
Come sit with Dad.
This area, you guys stay away. It is very hot. Oh yeah. Definitely recommend this recipe. Don't forget, you guys, thanks for watching my video. Please be a sweetheart and subscribe to my channel. And find me on Facebook. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to stay organized in style with FarrahAndOrganized.com. See ya.